What's going on, guys and gals? It's Brad here for LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping. This would be 2021 or 2020-21 Prizm first off the line basketball 2-box number 1. Pick your team style. Got Akihiro Y Raptors, Andy D Sixers, Anthony C Pelicans Suns, Andrew D Pistons Spurs, Attila N Jazz, Ben W Thunder, Brandon B Bucks, C Chen Hornets, David F Magic, Evan L Wizards, Jens M Heat, John G Clippers, J Huang Blazers, Justin D Warriors, Lursak Y Kings Rockets, Marco K Mavericks, Michael G Celtics Nets, Michael O Cavaliers, Patrick M T-Wolves, Robert R Grizzlies, Thomas H Knicks, Tin C Bulls, William H Pacers, Zach O Nugs Hawks, and Zinal M Lakers. Let me complete. Yep, done. So again, let's get the other Prizms filled up. They break right after this one, guys. Immediately after this one. 9 to go on the next one. We got some good teams still available, and some cheap teams still available. Got Shai Gilgeous, Mojo /25, Cameron Johnson. Suns. Blue Shimmer, Josh Green /35, Mavericks. Nice blue shimmer. Jonathan Isaac, Tim Duncan Hyper, Desmond Bain, Skylar Mays, Cam Reddish, Hawks Silver, Widescreen, Steph Curry Silver, Ja Morant Throwback, James Wiseman, Ellaby, Curry, Red Wave, Russell Westbrook, Hyper, Jokic, Denver. He got ejected last night. Cassius Stanley, base. John Collins, red. Atlanta. Bulls, base auto, Daniel Gafford. Elijah Hughes. Base. Yeah, he got ejected, man. That swipe was a little rough, man. It was off center. We got Sekou Doumbouya, Kira Lewis Jr., Hyper. We got Sadiq Bey, RJ, Okoro, and Maxey. Yeah, and then Kawhi's out too. Like, what a crazy couple days, man. Red Wave, Paul Millsap. Blue Ice, LeBron James /125. Nice. Boom. Grats Lakers. Put that to the side. Got Skylar Mays rookie. And orange, or not orange, gold shimmer T-Wolves 3 of 10, Jake Layman. There you go, T-Wolves. Great pack, guys. Blue LeBron and a gold shimmer. Got Cole Anthony silver. A purple Vince Carter. Zoyan. Okongwu. James Harden, silver. Fireworks, Steph Curry, Luka Doncic. Got Kira Lewis, and RJ Hampton. Red Wave, Dwight Howard. Hyper, Klay Thompson, Warriors. Xavier Tillman. Peyton Pritchard. Tyler Hero, red. Malachi Flynn, rookie auto Raptors. Not numbered. Flynn Sanity. Saban Lee. Magic Johnson. Gary Harris. Hyper Fleetwood Mac. Raptors. Kyrie. We got Killian. And Tyler Bay. Okay. Cool, man. Let's keep going. Next one. Guys, more Prizm basketball is up next. 8 to go still. Celtics, Mavericks, Pistons. Warriors, Clippers, Heat. Knicks, Suns. 8 to go. Breaking next on a 2-box first off the line. John Morant, ace. Blake Griffin, silver. Gallinari, hyper. Man, that's loud. Got Cole Anthony. Zeke Naji, Denver. Red Wave, Andre Drummond. Yeah, it's storming pretty loud here. It's crazy. Got Trey Jones, purple ice. Spurs, nice. Vernon Carey Jr. And gold shimmer, Pat Beverly, 2 of 10. Nice Beverly, congrats on that. There you go, Clippers. Good stuff. Emmanuel Quickly, silver rookie. That was a loud one. Holy cow. Very nice Knicks. That one actually scared me. Woo! Got purple, Buddy Hield. Kings. That lightning was close. Russell Westbrook. Quickly again. And Isaiah Stewart. Luka. Austin Rivers, Jason Williams, Red Wave, JJ Barea, Hyper, Jeremy Grant, Denver, got Tyrese Maxey, and Elijah Hughes, Jazz. Trey Jones, red rookie, Spurs. Grant Riller, rookie base auto, Hornets. Got Sadiq Bey, Pistons. RJ and Decoro on the back. Silver, Jackson Hayes. Hyper, Kobe White. Base, Devin Vassell. Denny Avadia. Wizards. Terry Rozier, Red Wave. Blue Ice. LaMelo Ball, 25 of 125. Boom! Holy cow. We got the Blue Ice LeBron. We got the Blue Ice Melo. Woo! Congrats, Hornets. That's awesome, dude. Precious Achua. And Blue Shimmer to 35, John Collins. Atlanta Hawks. Eight to go on the next Prizm, breaking right after this. We got Silver, Isaiah Stewart. Hyper, Zion. Pelicans, we got RJ. Kenyon. And Obi Toppin. Kyrie Irving, Silver. Downtown Silver, Zion. Jason Tatum. Trey Jones. Red Wave, Jaylen Brown. Hyper, Kyle Kuzma. He was pretty disappointing in the playoffs. Grant Riller. Richards, base. Kyle Lowry, red. And Raptors. Hawks auto, Skylar Mays, rookie base auto. Atlanta. And Robert Woodard on the back. All right, guys, and there you go. That'll do it for the break. Coming up next, we have more Prizm basketball first off the line. Again, if we could get that filled up, that'd be great. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, guys.